In this video, we'll explore the essentials of creating the perfect chicken coop, ensuring your flock is happy and healthy. Whether you're a novice or an experienced chicken keeper, the importance of a well-designed coop cannot be overstated. A coop isn't just a shelter, it's a sanctuary where your chickens can thrive, laying eggs and living comfortably while staying protected from external threats. The first aspect to consider in co-op design is the essential features that ensure the well-being of your flock. Proper ventilation is crucial, as it helps to circulate fresh air and prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to respiratory issues. Your coop should also have cozy nesting boxes, ideally one for every 4 to 5 hens, to provide a comfortable and private space for egg laying. Roosting bars are another must-have, offering chickens a safe perch to sleep on at night. These bars should be placed higher than the nesting boxes to discourage hens from sleeping in the nesting areas. Additionally, predator-proofing your coop is vital. Use sturdy materials like hardware cloth for windows and doors, and ensure all access points have secure locks to keep out potential predators, such as raccoons and foxes. When planning the size and layout of your coop, consider the number of chickens you'll be housing. A general guideline is to allocate 3 to 4 square feet per chicken inside the coop, and 8 to 10 square feet per chicken in the run. This space ensures that the chickens have enough room to move around comfortably, reducing stress and promoting better health. Efficient layout planning is also important. Place food and water stations where they are easily accessible, and ensure nesting boxes and roosting bars are appropriately spaced to avoid overcrowding. Choosing the right bedding material for your coop can make a significant difference in cleanliness and the overall health of your chickens. Common bedding options include straw wood shavings and sand. Straw is an affordable choice with good insulation properties, while wood shavings are absorbent and help reduce odors. Sand is another excellent option, offering easy cleaning and superior drainage. Regardless of the bedding type you choose, regular cleaning is essential to prevent odor buildup and keep the environment sanitary. Lighting and ventilation are key factors in maintaining a healthy coop. Natural light influences egg production, so incorporating windows or translucent roofing is beneficial. Proper ventilation is equally important to ensure fresh air circulation and remove excess moisture and ammonia from the coop. Place vents high up to allow stale air to escape without causing drafts that could affect your chicken's health. Equipping your coop with the right supplies is essential for efficient management. Feeders and waterers are fundamental, and there are many sturdy, easy-to-clean options available. DIY solutions, like PVC pipe feeders, can be cost-effective and practical. Additionally, having the right cleaning tools, such as scrapers and brushes, makes daily maintenance easier and more effective. A regular cleaning schedule is vital to keeping your coop sanitary and reducing the risk of disease. Remove droppings and soiled bedding daily, and conduct a deep clean every few weeks. Seasonal maintenance, such as reinforcing the coop structure and preparing for extreme weather, ensures that your chickens remain safe and comfortable throughout the year. For those looking to enhance their coop, consider upgrades like automatic feeders, heated waterers, and solar-powered lights. These additions can increase convenience and improve the overall environment for your flock. Adding a chicken run allows for more exercise space, while a dust bath area helps chickens maintain their hygiene by naturally removing parasites. In conclusion, a well-designed coop is key to a happy and healthy flock. Regularly assess your setup, make necessary improvements, and ensure your chickens have a comfortable and secure living space. We'd love to hear about your coop designs and any tips you might have. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more chicken farming insights.